Hello, I'm Dr. Burrowes from Brunswick Veterinary Hospital, and today I would like to help you better understand dog integrative medicine. My assistant Vicki will be helping by asking some questions about it, and I hope we're able to help you understand, help you grasp why integrative medicine can be beneficial to your dog in certain situations.
Dr. Burrowes, what is integrative medicine and how can it help my dog?
When we say integrative medicine, what we mean is a combination of traditional Western medicine, which is what we in this country all think of as going to the doctor, and other, I hate the word alternative because it makes me think you're doing it instead, but other forms of medicine that come from different cultures and different traditions. Traditional Chinese medicine is the discipline that I am trained in, and I like to use basically anything that will help your pet. So I like to integrate traditional Chinese medicine and other more traditional forms of medication in with Western medicine in order to get the best results for your dog.
What are the different types of integrative medicine?
There's not really any one type. Every practitioner is going to be a little different depending on what their training is. You could include acupuncture, chiropractic, forms of physical therapy. All of those could be considered parts of integrative medicine, where our goal is really looking at the whole patient.
How does integrative medicine impact the health and well-being of my dog?
Dogs experiencing a wide variety of medical conditions do benefit from an integrative medicine approach. The main difference from an integrative approach versus a standard Western approach is that instead of looking at just one problem, like say a broken leg, we're really looking at the whole picture. And if their leg is broken, how do they handle stairs? Can they get around their house okay? Are they eating, drinking? And that's really what we mean when we say an integrative approach.
Why is weight management considered a treatment for my dog's health?
When a dog is overweight, it can make a lot of conditions significantly worse and have a negative impact on their quality of life. The most common one that we see is arthritis. A dog with a lot of extra weight is putting a lot more strain on their joints, and that is going to cause them to have a little bit more pain long term. You can reduce their need for a lot of medications just by having them lose a few pounds.
How old does my dog need to be to start integrative medicine?
Well, if you're seeing me, integrative medicine is lifelong, and that's how I approach all of my patients. I do see a lot of older and senior pets who have a lot of different conditions such as arthritis. Many of these conditions will often occur together, so I do tend to see older patients, but an integrative approach is really appropriate for all ages.
What are some medical conditions that would benefit from the addition of integrative medicine?
Really all medical conditions will benefit from an integrative approach. I do a lot of pain management myself, and in animal and human medicine, that is the most common place that we see an integrative approach because pain is such a complex phenomenon. But we really use this approach with any condition.
What is the benefit of a joint supplement for my dog?
Joint supplements can help by building up the joint material. So it can help build up that cartilage, build up some of the fluid in that joint to help it work better. I really like to use them in younger patients for a longer period of time because I really think that they help to cushion that joint long term and reduce the need for more medications later on.
When would a veterinarian recommend NSAIDs for my dog?
It can vary a lot, and it depends on the specific patient. And that's really where an integrative approach comes in. When you come in with a dog that might have pain or might have some other, NSAIDs are treating pain, then maybe the first thing we use is NSAIDs. Maybe this particular dog can't tolerate them very well. They get stomach upset. There may be a variety of factors that go into that decision. And so that's what we are really doing at a physical exam and an appointment with you is to come up with the best approach, which might be those medications for inflammation control, but there's other options as well.
Why is it important to avoid treating my dog with medications and supplements before consulting my veterinarian?
There are many medications that are available over the counter, but a lot of them are only approved and tested in humans. There are many medications such as aspirin that are even marketed towards dogs, but they can have a lot of unintended side effects and interact with a lot of different medications that we use. Also, please let us know if you've given your dog any of this medication or any medication, just so we don't accidentally give them something that it will interact with negatively.
So if anyone has questions regarding dog integrative medicine, would you advise them to give us a call? Because we're always here for them.
Yes, I would advise our clients and our soon-to-be clients that if you have any questions, to please give us a call and schedule an appointment, and we'll be happy to talk to you about more.